Hey guys, we have the R9. We are going to Utah MotorsportsCampus to go actual race, Street GP. I'm just finishing draining the oil right now, getting a new filter on. Anyways, today is Friday, August 7th, and we are getting ready to run the track day. We have Isreal's bike, his suit, we have mine, we have Jack's bike, and we have Arthur's. These two are both novice. Isreal races in, I don't even know, some really high class, but he bring a laptop to tune his bike for the track. Oh, welcome back.
You hear about my nuts?
What?
Yeah, dude. Nuts are really good for electrolytes, so whenever it's hot outside, I'll just be having some nuts in my mouth.
All right. Okay, I have the old oil pan right here. You've ever wondered what the inside of an oil pan of an R9 look like? Here you go. Jack, what do you have to say? What do you have to say?
What do I have to say
About how lovely of a time you're having?
You just asked me, what do I have to say about the
Dude,
Yemen?
I didn't.
What the fuck, dude? We're at the racetrack racing motorcycles and you're asking me about Yemen?
Bro, we are not talking about that.
Third call for practice 3D Street GP. Third call for practice 3D Street GP.
And then we got to take his tech sticker.
He's unworthy now?
Yeah, he's got to go back to tech.
video?
Yeah.
You're just a little too hard, huh?
Damn, I felt so good too.
I know that's always when it bites. Yeah, you're gonna need to see if you can find a clutch lever. He didn't oopsie.
Doge's just gonna kick his ass. Yeah, he may have.
Still recording, yeah.
We're all gonna finish, right? Oh yeah.
We have a diabolical situation. Jack's bike is... Okay, what happened to your bike exactly? You're... Went in a limp mode. So this might be out of the race. And then Arthur, you hit 250 degrees on your oil or your coolant? So 248 on his oil, so his oil's fucked. So right now we have Isreal out. Right now, we don't know if we'll be able to use Arthur's bike. I'm sure it will be okay. Looks like he's at 242 right now. This guy right here is throwing up the green flag. Okay, we're kidding, not the green flag. That would not be allowed. Okay, we're kidding, not the green flag. That would not be allowed. He just blew his tire. Oh my God.
Yeah, get a bike there on next time.
They got third.
It was running.
The race is called. It was too bad of a wreck, apparently way over there, so. Third place, first endurance race, let's go.